We came for a morning walk when we discovered a baby chicken in the gutter. Ezenwa didn't hesitate to jump down and try to save it. We assumed it fell in and was looking for its mother.
You cannot catch it.
The chick was running away,
How do you
but
want to
we
catch
didn't
it?
give up so quickly.
Catch them! Catch them! Yeah! Back on! Oh, see, lost. He was falling inside the tank. I released it.
We asked the people around if they knew whose chick this was, but they told us we should just drop it there, in the grass. But we were afraid that if we left it there, the kites will come and carry it, or it would be smashed by a car. We tried to chase it in a bit, but the chick didn't agree, so we picked it up and decided to look some more. This was the moment I saw the oracle. Little did I know that this had something to do with our chick. We saw some chickens also on the other side of the road, but we're not confident these were the mothers. So we were considering asking in the shop if we could have a box and take the chick with us. But the owner of the shop told us something else. She stated that this chick was probably sacrificed in front of the oracle, expected to be washed away with the rain, and advised us that we should just put it back there. But our hearts didn't allow us to put it back into the gutter, so we released it into the bush nearby. At least it will have a chance on survival, even if it is very little.
Oh, yeah,